Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. In today's video we'll compare three full electric vehicles with similar sizes, built on different continents but having the same goal, to conquer the European and the United States market. So please stay with us till the end where we will draw a very interesting conclusion. Coming from the old continent, the Mercedes Benz EQS is the most luxurious and expensive vehicle from our video, but also the biggest. Fully loaded with all the safety system available on the market and with a very strong body construction, the full electric luxurious sedan built by Mercedes-Benz offers a very good overall protection, being the best in protecting his adult passengers, occupying the first place with an amazing 96% of protection, and also offering a 91% protection for the children, the same as the next vehicle in our video. Launched back in 2012 and receiving a very deep facelift in 2021, the Tesla Model S is the oldest model from our video. Despite of his age, the American full electric sedan demonstrates a very strong body structure, capable to offer a very good protection for all his passengers, and at the same time having the most efficient safety system from the group with an amazing 98% of efficiency. So you can clearly say that the veteran Model S is also a very safe vehicle. And now, ladies and gentlemen, from the distant China, in our crash test we will present you the flagship of the NIO car manufacturer, the ET7 model. Almost an unknown mark for the European and the US market, the NIO car company brings an amazing vehicle ready to compete with the other well-known four-door sedans from our video. And with a starting price of around $60,000 or about 80,000 euros in Europe, the new ET7 will offer a similar crash test protection as the above mentioned vehicles, scoring a very similar protection percentage, being just a few numbers behind the other two competitors. Also, the ET7 model is the only one from our group that uses the amazing LiDAR safety system used also by the Volvo car company on their latest full electric vehicles released. And now as a conclusion, we can say one very important thing. The Chinese are coming very strong from behind, and for sure in the next upcoming years we will witness dramatic changes on the European and the US car market. So please leave a comment in the section below with your opinion on how you see the future regarding the fact that the Chinese vehicles are becoming a real threat for the other classical car manufacturers. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our video till the end, and if you like it, please hit us with a like and subscribe to our channel for more new upcoming videos.